come with me to one of the prettiest waterfalls here in Wales, Snowdonia. Wales has a lot of waterfalls to offer, but this one personally is my favourite one. This one is called Conwy Falls and it's roughly around a 20 to 30 minute hike down. Spontaneously, we decided to go to see this waterfall called Conwy Falls, and it's quite a hike to get here. Right now I'm hiking, as you can see. The path is pretty straightforward, so you won't get lost, but it's a long way down. Oh my gosh. So I'm already out of breath. I've been walking for a bit. Let me show you guys what the whole hiking situation is. The hike down was so much fun, but it was really steep, so just make sure to wear appropriate shoes so you don't twist your ankle. This is crazy.